This is a Chinese import 24 volt electric quad bike. Not that. And I've just added an extra battery to give it 36 volts. Makes it go a lot faster, as you can see. So we've gone from about 10 miles an hour to 15 miles per hour just by adding the battery. And do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All we've done is we've fitted another battery just at the back here. And it now goes a bit faster, doesn't it, Harrison?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go. So for the price of a 12 volt battery and a new charger, about 15 quid from eBay, he's now got a toy that goes a bit faster. See how long it lasts, because it's got the same speed controller on it and circuitry and the same motor, so we're just making sure it doesn't get too hot. That's it, done.